So the Mediterranean has a very interesting link called the Bosphorous through Constantinople area and Turkey to the Black Sea. Now the Black Sea was known as a very deep in the sense it was very low terrain rather than it being very deep in the depth of water. And I think what happened was that Noah was told by God to build this ark, and he would have built it in the bottom of this lake, not in the water, but on the surrounding coast, because the water level here was lower than it was in the Mediterranean Sea. Now what happens, and you can see this with waterfalls, when a waterfall occurs, it cuts away at the sediment and the water gradually goes back. Water is always trying to get to sea level. Now, if in effect the Black Sea was lower than sea level, we've had other examples of that, the Red Sea. If we have a similar sort of situation and it's going to do this, what happens when that is cut down and the Mediterranean drains into the Black Sea? It does that. And the Black Sea then becomes the top of the mountains, becomes islands, and that is where Mount Arrarat was. So the ark, the first bit of land to appear as the water subsided, was Arrarat. Now this is a phenomenal volume. This is a huge explanation as to why all of the, and this could have been as a result of the Pillars of Hercules, which is Gibraltar, the waves that came through there. And this is why the whole sea level of basically the Mediterranean and the Atlantic probably dropped significantly. And that's why I think most of the archaeological sites are probably about 15 metres higher than they are currently at sea level now. And that's an interesting point to bear in mind for the next comment.